Hello guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel. So today we're doing a photo shoot for our beautiful client.
Hello, I am with OJ Media for a better shoot, and I look forward to it.
Our client reached out to us with the kind of shoot she wants. So today we're going to be using a 3 light setup. First of all is this big softbox here and my AD600 with this 32 cm softbox. Understand? So this is a continuous light over here. So this is mainly for autofocus. I'll be using a white background. So you guys should stay tuned and watch as we create magic.